In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use side panels in Notion. Side panels in Notion are incredibly useful for staying organized and focused while you work. They help you move around your workspace, manage settings, and even look at detailed database information, all without leaving the page you're currently on. Think of them as your control center that's always just one click or shortcut away. First, let's talk about the main sidebar. This is the panel you see on the left side of your screen that contains your workspace, favorites, recent pages, and more. If you don't see it, look for a small double arrow icon, usually near the top left corner. Clicking that will toggle the sidebar open and closed. You can also use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and backslash together, and on Mac, press Command and backslash. Using the shortcut is especially handy if you like a clean, minimal workspace, but still want quick access to your pages. From your Notion home view, the sidebar is where you'll jump into your main hubs, like projects, tasks, notes, or any dashboards you've set up. If you see a section called Favorites or a list of team spaces, you can click directly on those to open them. This keeps navigation fast and avoids digging through nested pages every time. Now, let's move into how side panels work inside databases, like a Projects and Tasks database. Go ahead and click on your Projects and Tasks page from the sidebar. That will usually open a database, either as a table, board, list, or another layout. Inside this database, side panels become even more powerful. At the top right of the database view, you'll see a three-dot menu. Click that to access layout and display options. Here, you can often choose to show a Properties panel on the side. When enabled, this dedicated side panel lets you see and adjust database properties, such as status, due dates, assignees, or tags, without opening items in full-page mode. It's great for quickly scanning and editing multiple items. You can also control how individual pages inside the database open. Instead of taking over the whole screen, you can set them to open in a side peek view. This creates a panel that slides in from the side, letting you read or edit a task or project detail while still seeing the main database behind it. Use this when you want to update a few items in context, without losing track of your place. With these tools, Notion's side panels become a flexible way to navigate, review information, and make updates efficiently, all while staying grounded in your current workflow.